Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be battling with the new arena gear early, before the next arena season even starts. And I'm going to be telling you what it is, and I'm also going to be showing you the house items. So, earlier today, I'm not 100% sure when, it showed what the next arena season would be. Kind of like here, it would show the awards. Yeah. So I thought that it was going to be science or robot themed. It's not. I thought that these should be like robots, but they're beetle themed. And as you can see, in the bronze you only get this, in the silver you only get this, and in the gold you only get this. So this is a very, very bad arena season. Now, hopefully this is a bug and they're actually going to have other things, but this could be the only thing that they're going to have. And I'm going to tell you why this is very bad. So here we are on a hacked account, and as you can see, we have the gear on, but this is where it gets stupid. This is a heart bonus of 8. This is a heart bonus of 8. This is a power bonus of 20, which I'm pretty sure would just be the same as a, like, this cosmic sword, yeah. And then we have the boots, where it's just a heart bonus of 8. And other than that, we don't have any other sign of anything that's going to be in the arena season yet, but that could just be for now. And hopefully this arena season is only going to be like a month or two, because if it's 4 months, that's going to be very, very bad for the game. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do a battle with this. I guess I will show you the house items first, though. So here are the 3 house items. We have the trophies. This is the bronze, this is the silver, and this is the gold. So it's like a beetle type. I thought this was going to be a robot because of the eye thingy, but I was wrong. But at least it didn't say it was water like Frieza. So now we are going to go ahead and do a battle with the gear. So we are going to go to Shipwreck Shore. Okay, so let's go ahead and battle this Neek. And as I said before, I really hope that this is a glitch, because it's going to be very bad if this is the only gear that they're going to have. Hopefully they have some others, because normally they'd have one thing for each rank. So they'd have one for silver, one for gold, one for bronze. So yeah, I'm going to switch my wizard to the starting place so that we can battle with the wand, and I also have to put the wand on. Okay, so now that we have that done, we are going to go ahead and get into another battle. Okay, so we're going to go battle this apple pot, which should only be in Summerfest, but for some reason Prodigy doesn't think that. So we are going to use the multi-attack next. First, we are going to use Falling Star Smash. And we do 3,015 damage, but that's because we're on a level 71 account. And that does 1,976 damage, but we're battling a level 59 pet. So let's go use Kapow Cab. I don't even know what it said. I think it's a Kapow Cabbage. That's 7. And let's see how much this does. Okay, so we barely took it out because we are weak and we were facing a grass type. Or earth, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 2,000 subscribers before Prodigy Math Game Players, so it would mean a lot if you subscribe. Hopefully this is just a glitch and they are actually going to have some other stuff. That's going to end up the video, and bye.